back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of Yoruba tonal marks, known as Ohun. These tonals are crucial for pronouncing words correctly and understanding their meaning. In our last episode, we talked about Yoruba vowels and consonant sound. If you are just joining us for the very first time, please, I implore you to go back to our previous episodes and check it so that you will know what you have done so far on this channel. So today we are going to be talking about Yoruba tonal marks, Ohun. We call it Ohun in Yoruba. Firstly, let's talk about Do. 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 Do is the lowest tone marked by a downward-facing accent. It indicates that a syllable is pronounced with a low pitch. Do is the lowest tone. Do. Do is the lowest tone. Re. Re. Re is mid-tone. Mid-tone. Re is the neutral tone. Neutral tone. Your normal voice. Re is representing your normal voice. A syllable with no accent mark is pronounced in this tone. A syllable without no accent is pronounced as re, re. So let's talk about the third one, which is me, me, me. Me is the I tone. I tone, indicated by an upward-facing accent. It signifies that a syllable is pronounced with a high pitch. Don't forget, Do is the lowest tone, while Re is the neutral tone, your normal voice, while Me is the high tone. It is pronounced with a high pitch. Pronounced with a high pitch. So let me give you an examples of how you will utilize all these tones. Number one. One way to memorize the three tones is through the Do, Re, Mi song from The Sound of Music. If you are very conversant with music, you will know that we have Do, Re, Mi, Do, Re, Mi, Do, Re, Mi. So that's the way you can memorize the three tones. Practical usage of tones in words. Let me give you a practical words. For example, àgbọn, 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 coconut, coconut. That's low tone on the second syllable. Low tone, àgbọn, àgbọn. That's low tone. Another example is àgbọn, 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 waps, waps. The first one is àgbọn, coconut, àgbọn, coconut. Low tone on the second syllable, àgbọn, coconut. The second one is àgbọn, àgbọn, waps, waps. High tone on the second syllable, high tone. The third one is àgbọn, àgbọn, basket, àgbọn, basket. There is no tone. Àgbọn, àgbọn. There is no tone. Understanding and using Yoruba tonal marks accurately is very, very essential for effective communication. If you understand the Yoruba tonal marks, you will be able to communicate effectively. Even though words are spelled the same way, these tones can drastically change their meaning. If you check the examples that I gave earlier, àgbọn, àgbọn, àgbọn. The first one is àgbọn, coconut, àgbọn, waps, àgbọn, basket. All those words in Yoruba, they have the same spelling but different pronunciation. Let me give you homework. Try to use the tonal marks we discussed today to produce and differentiate similar words in Yoruba. Practice helps to embed these words in your speech. As they do say that practice makes perfect. Thank you for joining today's lesson on Yoruba tonal marks. Keep practicing and see how these tones change meaning in everyday conversation. Stay tuned for more lessons on deepening your understanding of Yoruba. If you are just joining us, don't forget to like, share, and comment in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. We are always there for you. The next episode, we'll be talking about numbers, Yoruba numbers. Till then, stay tuned.